If you're seeing a Base44 error rate limit exceeded message, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it so you can get back to using Base44 without getting stuck. These quick steps are simple, safe, and usually solve the problem in just a few minutes. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and tutorials. First, pause your activity for 30 to 60 seconds. If you've hit a heavier usage cap, give it a few minutes before trying again. Rate limit errors often happen when too many requests are made too quickly, so a short wait is usually the first and easiest fix. After that, open the official Base44 status page and check whether there's a platform-wide outage or service issue. If Base44 is having downtime on their end, the error may not be on your device at all, and the best thing to do is wait until the service is restored. If the status page looks normal and the problem still continues, the next step is to clear your browser cookies and cache. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+Delete at the same time. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu in most browsers. Make sure cookies and cache are selected, then clear them. This can remove old session data or corrupted stored files that may be causing the rate limit message to keep appearing. Once that's done, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try Base44 again. In many cases, that's enough to reset the session and remove the error. If it still shows up after that, wait a little longer and try again later, since the limit may simply need time to reset. Those are the main steps to fix the Base44 rate limit exceeded error quickly. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stick around for more short tutorials and troubleshooting guides.